How to use or how to redeem Walmart gift card on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem or how you can use the Walmart gift card on Amazon. Now first things first, what you'll have to know is, can you use a Walmart gift card on Amazon? Well, the answer is no. Actually, a Walmart gift card may not be used for purchases on Amazon.com. Amazon gift cards and Visa Master gift cards may be used to complete transactions on Amazon, but Walmart gift cards may only be used at retailers that operate within the Walmart brand. However, if you're not so sure and you want to try it up, then here is what you can do. You can simply tap on your profile icon that you can see on the screen, and here you'll get a list of options as you can see here. From here, under your account, beside the your account, you can see all option. You can tap on it. Under it now, if you scroll down below, you'll find the option that says manage gift card balance. If you tap on it here and tap on redeem another gift card, and here you'll be able to enter in or scan your code. Now if this works for you, then it's good for you, but to be straight, it doesn't work that way. The Walmart gift card cannot be used on Amazon. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.